Hello from MGM Cotai, Macau, and I'm looking out at Wind Palace and we've just got the water ballet. What good timing. I'm on the 11th floor of this place, which has apparently, I think, 4,000 rooms. I'm looking across at something else and round at something else. I'm looking down at masses of tennis courts. My goodness, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tennis courts. And now I'm looking around the room. Haven't had a chance of looking at it yet. As you can see, I had a few urgent things to do as soon as I arrived. And, oh, the suitcase matches so well. The remote is just perfect for this place. I love being by myself, having an open plan bathroom. I barely have to go into the bathroom to have a look at it, but I will do so for you. And it's very simple. Casino bathrooms generally are pretty simple. One of the nice things about them. The tub has a good handle and interesting toiletries, especially for MGM, I think, and an enormous tub, good mirrors. Typically, casinos don't give you tea and coffee making bits. They want you to be down in the casino gaming. They don't want you to be making tea and coffee. I'm opening our storage there. That's good for those who have things to store, which I don't. But I know there's a minibar. There's a safe there. And there's the minibar. So it's much better than some casinos. Vegas doesn't give you anything like a minibar. Oh, no way. But this is very stylish. Bed looks good. And I've got USB and USB-C. And okay, and I've got a very special thing being here for the Culinary Masters. I've got chocolates from around the world, and I've got a golden statue, and I've got other little goodies there. Well, they don't want me to go hungry, and I've also got access to the gym, so I will be there next thing on the list.